at the market the other day, I found these really beautiful rainbow, whoa, ooh. Hold on a sec. Okay, got them. They're here, they're fine. These, totally forgot what I was saying. Rainbow carrots, orange, yellow, ooh, just a sec, purple. Anyways, let's just get started, shall we? Hi, welcome to my video. This week I'm sharing a recipe for honey roasted carrots. And I got off to a bit of a rough start, as you might have seen, but that's okay. When I came across these carrots in the market, I couldn't leave them there. First of all, they were $1.99 for this beautiful bunch of rainbow carrots, and I wanted to bring them home and prepare them in a simple way that would enhance their natural sweetness. And I thought, well, what better way to do that than to roast them in the oven with a light honey glaze. And I didn't really have a recipe. I kind of made this up as I went along, but I'm going to share with you exactly what I did to these carrots and how they turned out. So the first thing I did was wash and dry these carrots, even though I had every intention of peeling them. I think peeling is up to you whether you want to or not. Of course, you could certainly thoroughly scrub these and dry them and, take a chance. A lot of people really do enjoy the outer peel, but I didn't want to do that. I just thought I would play it safe and peel the carrots. I did not, however, cut off the heads. That's just an aesthetic decision that I made. I would have loved it even more if the carrots had a little bit of a stalk on them. I thought that might look really elegant, but they didn't come that way. So I just peeled them. I left the heads on, even the tips. I didn't bother to cut off the tips. Look at this one. This is just a thing of beauty. And I wanted to roast these carrots completely whole, so once I was done with the peeling, that was it. That was the end of my carrot prep. Now, before we go any further, I would ask you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you know when I post new videos. Alright, coming to the glaze, I completely winged this. I added about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by approximately 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. And then I was a little heavier handed with the honey. I added about 2 teaspoons of honey. Now if you're vegan and you want to add something else, that's completely fine, or you could simply add more maple syrup and that would be delicious too. Then mix this all up until it's well combined, and that's it. This is going to be the glaze for the carrots. The next step is to line a baking tray with some parchment paper and lay out your carrots. Don't let the carrots get too close to each other. They need their own space. And just try to lay them out as evenly as possible so that they cook evenly. And once you've done that, brush the carrots with the glaze. And just a light coating is completely fine. You don't even have to coat all sides of the carrot at this point. And then once you've done that, sprinkle a little bit of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. And that's all you're going to do to these carrots. This is a very simple preparation. What needs to happen next is you have to cover this baking tray with foil and put it into a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, you need to extract the carrots, remove the foil, and turn them over. If you have any leftover glaze, you can brush that over the other side of the carrots, but if not, don't worry about it. Then put these carrots back into the oven, uncovered this time, for about 18 minutes. When they come out, this is what they will look like. Beautiful, glistening, and lightly charred in all the right places. And that is it. Your carrot dish is done. And this is more of a side dish. This is not a complete meal, but it would be beautiful alongside some mashed potatoes or some garlicky green beans, perhaps on a bed of quinoa or couscous. Yes, I could definitely see that. All right, well, that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye-bye.